is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So today's unboxing, I believe, is my last one of this Sweet Sparkle. I signed up for this subscription, I believe, for 3 months, so this is my 3rd box, and it just didn't really impress me enough to continue on. Part of it is the size of the products, and with getting BoxyCharm and Ipsy and all those other boxes that give you the big supersized products, no. But let's get into it. It isn't a bad subscription if you get like the plain Ipsy or Birchbox and you just want to try products out and get those little sample sizes, then it's a perfect box. So you open it up and it's got the products in here and it's got the product card. And I want to say for 3 months I paid $58 for it, so I think it was like $19 a box, but again, I'll leave everything below. So the first thing is by Cackle Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer. I will admit I don't mind getting primers in boxes. Can never get enough of them. So let's just see what this looks like. It goes on super, super creamy. It's got a clean smell to it, but it went on super creamy. So this is definitely gonna go into something I'm gonna try soon. The next thing we got is Music Awards Lip Crayon in Punk Rose. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm a Punk Rose wearer, but we'll find out. This is the color. It might be a little bit dark for me. Let's see if I can not destroy the packaging. So that might be a little too red for me. So I am not going to swatch it just in case I give it to somebody or somebody wants it. I don't want to have swatched it. But it's definitely a nice size, nice product. The next thing is a mascara, waterproof mascara, Lash Splash. It comes in this super nice packaging, but I am not a big mascara wearer. So I have a couple that I've already opened that when I do wear mascara, I use them. So this will definitely be gifted to somebody. But it is a nice size. They're proving me wrong on the sample sizes, this box. I tell you, just called me a liar. All right, the next thing, which is all nicely bubble wrapped, and you know how much Robin loves her bubble wrap, is by Knick Knack. Can't read the other thing. And it's a Diva Highlighter Palette. I don't know if it's, oh yeah, it's taped, because I'm like, I can't open it, but that is nothing new for me. So I hope you guys, I don't know where you all live, but I hope it's not raining there. It's raining here in Washington. So it gives me a day to film because there's really nothing to do in the rain out here. And sorry, I'm just trying to butcher this. So they're very pretty highlighters. And I will use these, so I will swatch them. Doesn't come out very dark, so I don't know if you can see. They're right there, but it's hard to see with the light. But they look like they'd be very nice, easy to throw in your purse. And that looks like a full size, so I'm proven wrong. And the last thing looks like a palette. So was this box worth it this month? Absolutely. And wow, this is Extreme Access Pocket Shadow Extreme Palette Red Carpet Premiere. This is inside the packaging. And I have to admit, I like the colors. So now, do I sign up for another month? And of course, this is all wrapped up, so I'm not going to open it. But they have beautiful colors. I don't know how they swatch. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, or if I will gift it, because I have so many beautiful new palettes that I just bought. Some Jeffree Star. I bought the Barbie palette, so I'd rather see somebody use this palette than it just kind of sit there. So that was everything that was in this box. I have to admit, it was a great box. So we had the Catwalk Mascara by LA Lash, and that retails for $18. The Nicka K Duo Highlighter, it retails for $2.99. The Kokie Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer is $11. The JCat Beauty Extreme Access Pocket Shadow Red Carpet Premiere is $7.99. So that was everything in the box. So again, affordable products, so if you like something and you want to reorder it, you're not breaking the bank. So let me know what you thought of this box. Again, I have to say goodbye to it, but that doesn't mean that I won't try it again. So you guys have an awesome day, and as always, thank you for watching.